Dear student, in our channel Elexys projects, and today we will see a new hardware setup. Title name is automatic railway gauge system using the Arduino. Okay, so you can see this project is here. Okay, this is the railway track system. These are the bogies of this railway engine. This is the system. Okay, this is the power supply connected to the 230 volt power supply. Okay, so let's see each and every components one by one. This is the sensor which detects the either the train is coming or not. Okay, and this sensor sense either the train is passed out or not. Okay, for gate closing operation. Okay, and next component is a servo motor. Okay, used for the gate operation. Okay, and next is a buzzer here. Okay, 5 volt buzzer here. For the sound notification. Next is a LCD module here for the to see the status of the system visually. Okay, and next is a Arduino Nano, which is a brain of the system. Okay, responsible to handle entire operation. And this is the power supply, 5 volt power supply. Okay, so now let's see the operation of this module. So we are going to turn on this power supply. Okay, and after turning on, you can see the project name is appearing on the screen. Okay, and you can see currently the gate is operation is not started here. Okay, you can see the system is here. Okay, we will place this sensor okay here for the train detection. Okay, and now let's start the train using the switch. Okay, so you can see gate closed. Okay, gate is open. Okay, you can see train is coming, gate will turn off. Okay, and see, and after passing, okay, you can see the LCD status. See, gate closed, gate open. Okay, after passing the train, gate successfully closed. See, gate is closed, gate is open. Okay, okay, see again. Okay, in this it means our project is working so fine. Thank you so much for watching the video. If any student want to purchase this model, please contact us. Okay, this is the train engine. Okay, and this is the bogies. Okay, for the support, and here is our system. If any student want to purchase this model, please contact us on the given number on the screen. Thank you so much.